Hello investors, good early morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. This is the Morning Stir Market and Resource Rundown for Wednesday, December 12th, 12-12-12. The E-mini S&P blasted through 1424 December 3rd highs to peak at 1433 yesterday before closing at 1427, up 7 points. The 0.5% rally on the day now has the next resistance at 1460, then the multi-year highs at 1470. Dow futures added 63 points as well to 13,250. Resistance sits at 13,600 highs, with the weekly support pivot now the 13,200 end of September, beginning of November peak. The E-mini Nasdaq led gainers with a high at 2697, right at the 2700 resistance wall for the second time in the last few weeks. The tech index was up 1.2% to close at 2682, up 32 points yesterday. Crude oil finished positive for the first time in the last 6 sessions, up 35 cents at 85.92. The nearly 2-month trading range in the oil is stuck between $85 and $90 per barrel. The euro closed at 130, up more than 60 points as the dollar retreated to the 80 pivot and bonds dropped 22 points. Even though the dollar fell, gold lost $3 to 1711 with the 1700 support pivot below. Silver was down 34 cents at 33.03. With stocks working on a V recovery and new 6-week plus highs, where do things stand to start this Wednesday morning? Well, the dollar has ventured back below the 80 pivot, which is the halfway support of the September to October rally. The euro currency sits above the 130 level at up 25 ticks this morning, as the 30-year Treasury bonds are 12 ticks lower, nearing 148.5. Crude oil is up 40 cents to 86.20. Prices remain near the downside support, with the weekly resistance at 90, targeting 95 in the yearly pivot on a breakout to the upside. Gold is $6 higher right now at $17.15, with silver up 18 cents at $33.20. So as we get started on this Wednesday morning, stock futures are testing multi-week highs, once again actually making new highs right now at 1435, up 3 in the E-mini S&P. The Dow futures right now are 25 points higher at 13,303, and the Nasdaq futures are up 5 points with more than an hour to go before the stock market open. So to wrap up the current action this morning, we've got some positive movement once again, and we've got the euro currency over 25 ticks higher, with the dollar and bonds lower to start the day. Crude is holding near $86 a barrel. Gold's up $5 at $17.16 per ounce. Stock futures are stronger, with the E-mini S&P holding up here at the multi-week highs. Right now we're at 1435, up 3 in the broad market S&P. Dow futures here at the CME Group are 25 points higher and above the 13,300 level. Please visit our sponsors at morningmarketstir.com for more information on futures, commodities, and options. I'll see you early Thursday morning, as the stir in the markets comes out here to set up your trading day. From the CME Group trading floor, it all comes back to commodities.